This is Dan Gillespie, Director of Technical Services for Alder Color Solutions. I'm here today to give you a tech tip about how to get accurate color on your display. When you're in your applications, for instance, this is Adobe Lightroom Classic, you'll want to be able to apply the ICC profile that you'll use to print the artwork. And it will actually convert the preview and show you what it'll look like when it prints. So first of all, you have to be in the Develop module, and then up under the View menu is Soft Proofing. So we're going to come in here and do a Show Proof, and then that opens up this section here at the top of the Developer pane, where you can say Create Proof Copy. So you can create virtual copies of your previews that are applied to different ICC profiles. So in this instance, I have a luster photo paper for an Epson 7800 with photo black ink, and I want to see what my image is going to look like when I print it to this printer ink and paper combination. So you do have choice of rendering intent. You want to make sure that you're soft proofing the preview using the same rendering intent that you're going to print it with. In here you have choice of perceptual or relative. And then of course you need to make sure to turn on the simulate paper and ink. So watch when I do this. Right now the image is using the white point and black point from the display. And once I turn that on, it is now using the white point and black point from the printer ICC profile. So that is how you soft proof an image for print in Adobe Lightroom. And then if we were in Photoshop instead, you can do this in Photoshop. Under the View menu here is Proof Setup. So you'd come into Proof Setup, choose the ICC profile that you would like to soft proof this to. I happen to have that same profile right here, the Vibrance Luster for the 7800, and I want to see what the white and black point of that are going to do as well. So there's my preview. So here it is on a calibrated display, full gamut, and here it is with the preview converted to the color space of my printer ink and paper combination ICC profile. So that's the tech tip. Hope you found that helpful. Should you ever need to contact me, you can reach me at dang@aldertech.com. Have a great day. Thanks very much.